welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Excuse the fact that I'm in PJs, it's just one of those days. No, I'm wearing Valentine's style PJs because today we're having like a Valentine's meal in. Something like Valentine's. This year we definitely want to celebrate a little bit because it's been like quite a crazy couple of years for everybody. But with Valentine's, we don't really want to spend a lot of money, so we're going to be eating in, having a nice meal together. Tonight we thought we would do like a Valentine's style night in meal with some bits I picked up from Aldi, some Valentine's special bits. There wasn't actually too much this year, but that's fine because I didn't really need much at all. So I'm going to create a pasta dish using leftover veg from the fridge and making it into like a really easy, affordable, nutritious, delicious pasta dish. I'm like really focusing in on pasta dishes on my channel at the moment. Don't know why, just am. I like pasta at the moment. But this one can easily be veganized. It's a vegetarian dish, but you can add sausage meat or chicken. Those two things go really well with this particular dish. But we're just having it as normal veggie options. Really easy to make, and generally most things you're going to have in your kitchen, fridge, freezer or cupboard. Yeah, and it's my leftover pasta date night. That sounds really romantic, doesn't it? Leftover pasta for Valentine's date night. So let's get straight into it. I'll show you the bits that I'm going to be using. And we're going to have a nice romantic meal. Valentine dates, got two. Lawrence is absolutely devastated he doesn't have matching PJs, heart patterned PJs.
Absolutely gutted, yeah.
Gutted, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah,
gutted.
Really disappointed.
We've got matchy. Look! Standy, standy. Woo! Happy Valentine's. Aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Aww. So let's get cooking. It's getting near the end of the day, so we've got a cranky boy.
Race against time.
It is a race against time at this time of day. Right, so what have we got? We have Valentine's fondue for two.
Yeah.
Exciting. So this is basically the starter.
Yeah, the kettle. That's a good toy.
That's a good toy. All right, yeah.
The Valentine's fondue for two has a starter and dessert. You have a Barber's mature cheddar cheese fondue and a chocolate and orange fondue.
How good does that sound?
That sounds really good.
Chocolate and orange.
Which we're going to have with some fruit.
Yes. Bless you.
Thank you.
So yeah, just like a cheese fondue, which I think we've got like breadsticks for.
Yeah.
We don't really do like this kind of thing. We never have starters either.
No.
We've got our pudding, so we'll have fruit with that melty chocolate. I thought this was going to be like a fondue where you put a burner underneath.
Right.
I thought that's what a fondue is.
Yeah, I think like traditionally, but...
Okay, well, these go in the oven, so we've got the nice ramekins for after. Leftover pasta romantic dish. It's one of our favourites, isn't it?
It is.
So we've got some love pasta.
Yeah.
Heart-shaped pasta pieces. These were in Aldi. Do you know what? It's going to taste no different. Well, it might taste different, but it's fun to get this kind of stuff, isn't it?
I like multicoloured pasta. It's fun.
And heart-shaped. That's the whole point.
Yeah.
Heart-shaped.
Yeah.
Do you like heart-shaped?
Yeah. It's the first time I've ever had heart.
Yeah, same. They're really like detailed pieces. I'll show you a close-up. The main two veg ingredients we use, I know, are leeks and mushrooms.
Yeah.
And then we'll use, I think we're just going to do leeks, mushrooms and peas.
Yep.
I just noticed all of our veg is like severely out of date. So like this is from the 31st of January. This is from the 4th of Feb. Like this is really out of date stuff, but it's all perfect.
It's fine. It's fine. Like just give it a squeeze and a sniff.
Squeeze and a sniff, you're good to go. And well, it looks fine. We obviously will get closer, but they're absolutely fine. So yeah, this is true leftover veg.
Yeah.
And we'll throw some peas in. Then we put like some spice in it, salt and pepper, and double cream. Yeah. Let's just like.
Let's go.
I'm gonna start on the dinner, and then we'll have our starter.
Okay.
So, cheese fondue is ready. Did we see what cheese it was?
Yeah, it was cheddar cheese.
What are your thoughts on that?
Not normally a big fan of a cheddar cheese fondue.
Goes a bit claggy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, yeah, it does go claggy.
Super tangy.
Tangy.
I quite like it.
Very salty.
Yeah. Well, these
like
are quite salty as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super tangy. I think I prefer, you know, like kind of a Swiss cheese fondue.
I've never had one.
Really
What
nice.
is a Swiss cheese fondue like?
Melted Gruyere with a bit of white wine.
Ooh.
With like fresh bread to dip in.
Ooh.
Excellent.
That does sound nice actually with the white wine.
But this is like a, I suppose you'd say like a British twist on that
Okay.
with the cheddar. I'm going back to it.
Yeah.
It's
you are.
tasty.
So would you recommend it for Valentine? Because it's going to be Valentine's very soon when this video goes live.
Yeah. If you've got some pizzas that you toasted and cut up in slices, nice for these sort of breadstick things.
Guess how much the cheese and the chocolate fondue set was?
£4?
$4.99.
Was it?
I thought that was quite steep. But then you think that's a lot of... Well, it's not... No, I thought it was quite steep.
It is. It is.
But less so now I've tried it. Got to try the chocolate one.
There's no doubt elsewhere you'd be paying £3.50, £4 for just one half of that.
Yeah.
£4.99 is quite pricey. Something, a little bit of a trend that we've noticed, I'm sure everybody has.
And Aldi.
Stuff's getting expensive.
Anyway, we've got our lovely leftover pasta cooking. So let's have our dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, this pasta is so good and so easy.
It's a, honestly, I don't think you can go far wrong with it.
Okay.
Most of my life I had pasta with tomato sauce.
I know.
Everything.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato, whatever it had in it, tomato.
Ah.
Then you discover double cream.
And leeks. I never used to eat leeks. How much time I've wasted. Leeks are so good. So the heart-shaped pasta is nice. It's actually quite nice.
It's good pasta, regardless of its shape, because it really like holds its shape.
And it doesn't just taste like filler. Pasta wasn't too common in my household. We'd have lasagna and spaghetti bolognese, but that was like, or tomato pasta. But that was it. But like this pasta, despite it only being recently added to our repertoire of meals, it's like, it feels warming, comforting, nostalgic. Doesn't it?
If you want to like add some bits, change some things up, one thing that's really nice in it is when you're frying the leeks, like de-skin some sausages, put the sausage meat in there, get the flavour of the sausage, a little bit of extra texture.
I really like the bit of spice in it.
It wasn't something dissimilar to this that our neighbour brought over the day Oren was born, because she obviously saw that we were in need of some sort of assistance.
Well, we had a home birth and despite going into it with all intentions of it being calm, tranquil and quiet, I was screaming and mooing like a banshee. And she clicked on to what was happening. Arrived safely and happily, and then we were just at home. Lawrence went out into the garden and our neighbour was already out there. She spoke to Lawrence over the fence and said, do you need anything? Do you want some dinner? I can quickly make you something. And she made us like...
It was like a pasta bake. It was kind of like this, but with sausages in it. Basil. Some tomatoes, I think, were in it, but like tomatoes rather than like canned tomato. And it was just like...
It was heaven.
It was exactly what we needed. Here we are. Sharing it with the world.
Love you.
Love you.
Right, chocolate fondue. I can't smell the orange. Actually, yeah, I can.
Yeah.
That smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
So we've got it with some chopped bananas and raspberries, because that's what we had in the fridge.
That's what we had.
And what else would you put with?
Biscuit.
Biscuit with that?
I don't know, you could dip a biscuit in that.
You could actually.
I'm going to go raspberry.
Yeah?
Raspberry.
Why?
Okay. I don't know.
That
the banana.
chocolate's rich.
Yeah, the banana and the
I'm not sure on the
orange.
banana, but I think this might be nice.
Yeah, it was a real tasty combination.
Really? To be honest, I could just eat that like with a spoon.
It's quite a nice banana.
Do you think?
Orange and banana's a bit weird together, but then, I don't know, feels kind of tropical. Nice.
It's good.
I must say, I had very low expectations
But you always do with that stuff, and I don't know why.
for this.
Because you hate gimmicks, but they do make gimmicks nice now.
I have a healthy degree of skepticism. I'm happy to be proved wrong.
Actually, the banana is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. So revisiting the price.
Yeah. I think it's worth both of them together.
This is a special, like, $4.99, right? Is not bad for a starter and a dessert. I mean, obviously you need some accessories for both to dip, but I think they're great. I think $4.99 is that's. I think you'd have done well.
Yeah.
Then you can splash out if you want
Yeah, true.
on something else.
It is a complete one-off, isn't it?
It
is steep for Aldi,
It's steep for Aldi.
but actually tasting it, like, you wouldn't be annoyed you spent that money. You wouldn't be annoyed you spent that money, I don't think. I don't know what fruit would go with it because it's chocolate orange. That makes it a bit difficult, doesn't it?
That's why I think a digestive biscuit
I think a digestive biscuit now because it's chocolate orange.
or a hobnob, plain hobnob.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so whatever you're doing for Valentine's this year, we hope you have an amazing time. Yeah, it's been a successful Valentine's taste test type thing.
Yeah.
We hope you're doing really well. Enjoy your Valentine's and we'll see you again really, really soon.
Absolutely, I hope it's a good one.
Yeah.